Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Minnie, has warned the public of a number of social media accounts being created on X, Facebook and Instagram to tarnish images such as this one and more. The person who created the account is commenting on Zimbabwe's political issues. I don't comment on political issues because my job doesn't allow me to do so. I don't insult people on social media because Ubuntu Vami doesn't allow me to. Minnie Baloyi clarified. People create fake social media accounts for various reasons, including tarnishing someone's reputation or spread false information as mentioned in the post. Others do so to manipulate public opinion or influence others. In other cases, people create fake social media accounts to hide one's real identity for personal or security reasons. In this specific case, it seems like the person is trying to create a fake account to damage Minnie Baloyi's reputation. In order to stop this, Minnie has urged members of the public to make sure the accounts are banned. She has provided a 6-step guideline on how to get the accounts banned. Number 1, open the fake profile. Go to X account that is impersonating Minnie Baloyi. Number 2, tap 3 dots. You will see this in the top corner of the profile page. Number 3, select report. Tap report at username. Number 4, choose the reason. Select they are pretending to be someone else. Number 5, specify the impersonation. Choose someone else and enter Minnie Baloyi. And finally, number 6, submit the report. Follow the prompts and submit the report. If possible, attach screenshots or links showing the impersonation. Minnie Baloyi says if multiple people report the account and provide screenshots, X tends to act faster. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.